Understanding Trade Sales, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of trade sales. This phrase is often used in business and finance, and understanding it can be really helpful. Let's dive in and make sense of trade sales together. Trade sales refer to the selling of goods and services among businesses, as opposed to selling directly to consumers. This is a common practice in B2B, business-to-business, transactions. For instance, a manufacturer selling products to a retailer is an example of a trade sale. To better understand, let's look at some examples. A furniture maker selling desks to an office supply store. A car manufacturer selling vehicles to a car dealership. A software company providing enterprise solutions to other businesses. These examples show how trade sales are an integral part of supply chains in various industries. Trade sales are crucial for several reasons. They enable businesses to source products they need for operation or resale. They help in building B2B relationships, which can lead to long-term collaborations. They play a key role in the economic chain, impacting everything from production to consumer availability. Wholesale, selling goods in large quantities at a lower price, usually to retailers. Distributor, a middleman who sells products to retailers or other businesses. Supply chain, the entire process from manufacturing to delivering products to consumers. Understanding these terms helps in comprehending the broader context of trade sales. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of trade sales and its significance in the business world. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about business terminology, understanding these phrases can be incredibly beneficial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.